The reason that 95% of Facebook ads don't work is because of this, the Facebook ads letter. A never-before-seen, secretive written account detailing the most effective and profitable Facebook ad script of all time, with more than $70 million of ad spend behind it. But sadly, most people don't even know about it. And by the end of this video, many of you are gonna realize that the reason that your Facebook ads haven't been working as well as you want is simply because you've been focusing on entirely the wrong things. But luckily, you're also going to learn the system that you can use to fix this, just like these two campaigns did. But before we get to that, let's reveal the biggest problem that you have right now, which is that things have changed. And what used to work even a few months ago is dramatically different than the strategies and tactics that we're seeing succeed on the platform right now. For example, I'm sure that you've been told countless times before that the key to success with your Facebook ads is all about targeting and making sure you're getting your ad in front of the right people. Or just how important placements are, and if you pick the wrong placement, say feed or stories or reels, then everything is just gonna fall apart right in front of you. And then of course, there's the infamous campaign objectives, and which one is gonna be the best option for you? Maybe awareness, or traffic, or engagement, or leads. And while yes, all of these are important, they're not even close to the most important thing of all. No, my friend, the real secret to Facebook ad success that's hidden in this letter right here comes down to just two simple things: what you say and how you say it. So let me break that down for you now. Here's the deal. Getting your targeting and placements and campaign objectives right is easier than ever before, and it's only getting easier and more efficient. In most cases, just leaving things on their default settings is enough to get you started. There's even a meme about this called the Chad Broad targeting approach that compares the old complicated way of setting up your Facebook ads versus the Chad method of just letting Facebook do all the work for you. But the one thing Facebook can't do for you, at least not yet, and probably not anytime too soon either, is write a compelling, click-worthy, and high-converting ad for you, your business, your offer, or whatever it is that you're trying to promote. Yes, AI, artificial intelligence, is getting better, but I've tried them all. And while they can offer up some decent ideas and suggestions, at the end of the day, 100% of the ads we've tested that were written by humans and not computers have performed better. First, every great ad starts with a hook. The hook of your ad is the very first part, and the goal is always the same, which is to capture someone's attention and get them to stop the scroll so they'll actually watch or read or listen to your ad. You can phrase your hook as a question or a call out or a provocative statement, something that gets someone to look up and be all like, "Hey, you talking to me?" Now, to help you go out and apply this letter, what I'm gonna do is first give you the actual framework and script from the letter itself, and then I'll give you a practical real-life example of how I would structure an ad using my Digital Marketing Academy course as an example. So we'll start with the script, and feel free to pause or rewind or write this down as we go along. I'll also make sure to put a link in the descriptions below where you can download all of this for free. Are you a target market who's struggling to desired result? If so, you're not alone. And the real-life practical example using the Digital Marketing Academy course would be, are you a business owner or entrepreneur who's struggling to grow your business using digital marketing? If so, you're not alone. Once that's done, it's time to move on to the next part, which is the introduction and the problem. This is the part of the ad that you're going to quickly introduce yourself. And by quickly, I mean very quickly, because the only reason that we're doing this at all is to prove that you're someone worth listening to. And then you want to move on to the main part of the ad, which is the problem that you're going to be attempting to solve through your product or your service or your offer. So here's the script. Hi, my name is your name, and I'm a title and previous big achievement. And what I've found is that far too many target market are struggling to make sense of this crazy and overly complicated world of your industry or business, which means it's being used ineffectively or is being ignored altogether, which ends up pain you want to avoid and your ability to get desired result. And then to follow that up, here is the real world example. Hi, my name is Erhart, and I'm a digital marketing consultant and creator of the Digital Marketing Academy. And what I've found is that far too many business owners and entrepreneurs are struggling to make sense of this crazy and overly complicated world of digital marketing, which means it's being used ineffectively or is being ignored altogether, which ends up hurting your business and your ability to grow and attract new customers. Okay, still with me? Now, I can't see you, but I can only imagine you're nodding your head yes, so let's carry on. The next part of the ad is the product and service presentation section, where you're going to tease the solution that you're offering in the ad itself. So, as you may have guessed, let's start with the script. That's why I created Product or Service, which was designed to help target market, just like you, achieve desired results by providing a list multiple offer benefits. The end result is a recap of benefits and desired end result. And now the real-life example to show you exactly what this looks like when it's put in the context of a real ad. That's why I created the Digital Marketing Academy, which was designed to help business owners and entrepreneurs just like you create simple, effective, and profitable digital marketing campaigns for your business by providing you with skills and strategies and resources that will allow you to confidently create marketing that drives results and will allow you to grow any business. The end result is more traffic, more customers, more sales, and more revenue than ever before. Okay, now it's time to drive it home with the last part of the ad, which is the CTA, or call to action. Arguably the second most important part of the entire ad after the hook. After all, it doesn't really matter how good your CTA is if you haven't captured someone's attention in the first place. Now, the script for this section is actually really pretty simple, and it just comes down to asking someone to do whatever you want them to do next. For example, you could ask them to click the link to sign up today, or tap the Learn More button to get more information, or any of the other dozen or so relevant CTAs that Facebook gives you to choose from, including choosing No button, or Get Showtimes, or Apply Now, Book Now, Contact Us. And the list pretty much just goes on. My recommendation here, though, is to just go for the classic standby, that Learn More option, as typically it performs best for us over all the other options. Okay, here's an example of what that looks like then in real life. Click the Learn More button for more information and to join the Digital Marketing Academy today. There's another powerful Facebook ad strategy that I use as well though, something that allows me to take campaigns from a 3% response rate all the way up to over a 68% response rate. And I'll show you exactly what that is and how to use it in this video right here. So make sure to check that out now, and I'll see you in that next video. First, you need to focus on acquiring quality leads, which is a combination of how relevant they are to your business, how motivated they are to solve the problem or take action, and how capable they are of actually buying or paying for it.